NV300 Max. The NV300 Max is a super intelligent night vision dashcam designed to enhance your safety on the road, day or night. With its high intelligence chip, this device can quickly detect pedestrians, motorcycles, cars, and animals up to 328 yards away. Within just 0.1 seconds, it delivers both auditory and visual alerts to keep you aware of potential hazards. Featuring 3 versatile display modes, visible light, infrared, and fusion, the NV300 Max adapts seamlessly to various environments, making it ideal for all driving conditions. Keto transforms car access by turning your smartphone into a secure, convenient key. No more searching for your keys. With KETO, everything you need is on your mobile device. Your car will only start when KETO detects your authenticated mobile key inside, ensuring maximum security. Plus, Keto offers an innovative key-sharing feature via its mobile app, available on both iOS and Android, making it easy to share car access with family members or friends. With robust encryption, KETO keeps each key-sharing transaction safe and secure. Whether you're sharing a family car or lending your car temporarily, KETO makes it simple and secure. Portronics Auto-Tune Car. The Portronics Auto-Tune Car Bluetooth receiver elevates your driving experience with a range of smart, convenient features. Stay safe on the road with hands-free calling, allowing you to focus on driving while taking calls effortlessly. Stream your favorite music directly from your smartphone or any Bluetooth-enabled device with seamless connectivity powered by advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology, ensuring clear and stable audio. Customize your sound with the integrated bass control roller, delivering rich, deep bass to suit your preferences. Add style to your car's interior with vibrant LED lighting, creating a cozy ambiance while you drive. Roboki. Meet the Roboki 2.0 Alexa, the world's first AI-powered wireless car mount with Amazon Alexa built right in. This smart car mount seamlessly connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to control music, maps, calls, and messages entirely hands-free. Simply place your phone on RoboQI, say, "Alexa, play funky music," or "Alexa, navigate home." And Roboki takes care of the rest, streaming through your car's stereo. Equipped with 2 high-performance microphones, it hears you clearly over road noise, ensuring reliable command response. Whether you want to play music, resume an audiobook, check your schedule, or find nearby spots, Roboki's intelligent platform makes it quick and easy. With its firm grip and turbo wireless charging, Roboki 2.0 Alexa is the ultimate driving companion, keeping you powered up, entertained, and focused on the road. Carwino introducing Carwino, the wireless adapter that transforms your wired CarPlay and Android Auto into a fully wireless experience, powered by an Android 11.0 standalone system. Simply plug Carwino into your car, connect your phone once, and it will automatically reconnect each time you get in. Enjoy seamless access to wireless CarPlay and Android Auto without the hassle of cables. With its intuitive, user-friendly interface, Carwino lets you switch between CarPlay and Android Auto with ease, making it perfect if you have both iPhone and Android devices, plan to switch phones, or want to share access with friends or family. The FarReach A1 is a high-performance tire inflator and jump starter designed to keep you moving safely and efficiently. Capable of inflating tires 3 times faster than traditional inflators, the FarReach A1 features a powerful Fi 25mm cylinder air compressor, delivering 32 liters per minute airflow and reaching up to 150 psi. Its smart digital screen provides real-time pressure monitoring, making it easy to ensure optimal tire pressure on the go. Unlike traditional jump starters that require long charging times, the FarReach A1 is engineered for quick and reliable use, even in cold temperatures, which can slow down other devices. It eliminates the hazards of low-quality cables and battery sparks, so you can safely jump-start your car in just 3 steps. Made for every car owner, the FarReach A1 combines speed, safety, and ease of use, ensuring you're ready for the road anytime, anywhere. ReTech Charger. The ReTech Charger takes wireless charging to a whole new level, thanks to its built-in cooling fan that keeps your phone at a safe temperature without relying on your car's air conditioning. By managing heat independently, the ReTech Charger prevents overheating, ensuring safer, more efficient charging cycles. Unlike conventional chargers, which often struggle with car vibrations that impact phone stability and screen visibility, the ReTech Charger is built for a smooth, secure experience. Its advanced stability design keeps your phone firmly in place, uninterrupted by road vibrations, so you can enjoy clear visuals and steady connectivity. We didn't just design it, we rigorously tested it to ensure that the Retec charger offers the best possible user experience on the road. Tracky GPS Tracker, introducing the best-selling GPS tracker, proudly USA made and trusted by major brands like Vodafone and UPS. This advanced GPS tracking device offers unlimited real-time tracking with 4G LTE plus 3-band technology, providing full coverage across the USA and worldwide. At just 1.8 times 1.6 times 0.7 inches and only 1.26 ounces, it's the smallest and lightest in its class, making it ideal for tracking vehicles, assets, kids, and even trailers or luggage. Each tracker includes a strong magnet, waterproof silicone cover, belt clip, keyring, and lanyard for versatile use. Bluebox Copilot is a pioneering solution that leverages cutting-edge AI and machine learning to revolutionize user experience and operational efficiency across a wide range of platforms. Designed with both individuals and businesses in mind, this powerful tool offers innovative features that enhance digital interactions and simplify complex tasks. In this guide, we'll dive into the Bluebox Copilot's key functionalities, exploring its unique benefits and its potential to reshape various industries. From its core technology to real-world applications, the Copilot stands out for its ability to provide seamless integration and superior performance compared to other tools on the market. Whether you're a tech-savvy enthusiast, a business professional seeking smarter solutions, or simply curious about advancements in AI, this guide will give you a comprehensive understanding of Bluebox Copilot's capabilities, empowering you to make the most of this game-changing tool. Namisen. The Namisen car charger redefines convenience and safety, transforming the traditional car charger into a multifunctional tool. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.1, it allows for automatic call handling and features an infrared sensor for a secure automatic phone grip. Plus, it offers wireless charging. With a built-in battery, Namisen ensures that you can easily remove your phone even after shutting off the car. Designed for simplicity and safety, Namisen enables you to perform all essential functions with just 2 fingers, minimizing distraction. The charger includes a discreet Bluetooth earphone that pops up automatically for incoming calls, letting you answer privately without compromising focus. This thoughtful feature is perfect for maintaining privacy when you have passengers, making Namisen not only a practical tool for yourself, but also an ideal gift to enhance the safety and comfort of loved ones' drives. Basius Car Temporary Parking Card. The Basius parking plate is an elegant solution for convenient contact in case of minor parking incidents. When parking in restricted areas or navigating busy lots, it's often crucial to quickly connect with the vehicle owner to resolve issues without involving authorities or risking fines. The Basius parking plate allows you to display your phone number visibly, making it easy for others to reach you if needed. Aventry Road Trip. The Road Trip is a compact yet powerful Bluetooth car speakerphone that enhances your hands-free driving experience. Designed with convenience and clarity in mind, it allows you to take calls, use Siri to make calls or send texts, and even get driving directions, all without taking your hands off the wheel. Additionally, the Road Trip functions as an FM transmitter, enabling you to broadcast call audio or music directly to your car stereo by simply tuning to a vacant FM frequency. Equipped with dual 3-watt speakers, the Road Trip provides exceptional sound quality and volume, making it easy to hear calls over any background noise, while its dual microphones with noise reduction ensure crystal clear communication on both ends. For seamless use, it features a built-in motion sensor that automatically powers off when you leave the car and reactivates upon your return, connecting instantly as you open the door. With Road Trip, enjoy sharp, high-fidelity sound and hands-free functionality that keeps you connected safely on the go. VacuumWave, the H03 Pro 5-in-1 vacuum cleaner, a next-level cleaning tool that's built to handle so much more than just vacuuming. This powerful device is equipped with a triple upgraded brushless motor, providing serious performance with less noise and a longer lifespan. But here's where it gets exciting. The H03 Pro is actually a 5-in-1 tool. It doesn't just vacuum, it also works as a blower, inflator, and extractor, giving you flexibility for tasks like car detailing, inflating a mattress, and getting into those hard-to-reach spaces.